Can you solve this tricky equation x times x equal x plus x? Most people rush and miss one of the answers. So let's solve it step by step. So we have given, so we can write this x times x as x cube is equals to 2x. Now take all terms together. So x cube minus 2x equals 0. Now I can take x as common. So x square minus 2 equals 0. So now we have two factors. First, x is equals to 0. Now x square minus 2 is equals to 0. So x square is equals to 2. X is equals to plus minus root 2. So there are three possible answers, that is x is equals to 0, x is equals to root 2 and x is equals to minus root 2. So did you find all three solutions before I solved him? Comment your answer below and don't forget to subscribe for more Olympiad style math problems.